So now that we have learned about the various trigonometric ratios, let us look at the different trigonometric identities. So as you see on the board here, we have got the three basic trigonometric identities which shows the relationship between different trigonometric ratios, which is true for all the values of theta. For example, the first one here says sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So for any angle theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1, right? Likewise, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, or we can say secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta, right? So this again is true for all the values of theta. And the last one here is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, which implies cosecant square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So these are the three basic trigonometric identities that shows the relationship between different trigonometric functions. Apart from these three basic trigonometric identities, there is a whole list of trigonometric formulae that we need to remember. Please note that solving the questions from trigonometry using a traditional method will require us to remember all these different categories of trigonometric formulae. Right? For example, we have formulae based on sum and difference of angles. Right? To give an example, sine of a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, or sine of a minus b equals to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Then we have double angle and triple angle formulae. For example, sine 2 theta can be taken as 2 sine theta cos theta, and sine 3 theta can be taken as 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Right? So here we see that a double angle 2 theta is converted to a single angle, and triple angle 3 theta is shown in terms of a single angle. And then we have formulae based on converting product into sum and difference. For example, 2 sine a cos b will be equal to sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Likewise, formulae based on converting sum and difference into product. For example, sine a plus sine b will be equal to 2 sine of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, and so on. So here is the list of all the trigonometric formulae that we need to know to be able to solve the questions from trigonometry. So make sure that you copy these formulae and learn them by heart. Now that we have seen all the different types of trigonometric formulae, next comes the trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. As I've mentioned, a smart way of answering questions from trigonometry would be to go by the method of substitution, where we substitute some value for the given angle theta and see which of the given answer options satisfy the given question. So for you to be able to answer the questions in a smart way, it is essential that you learn all these trigonometric ratios for the given specific angles by heart. So here comes the list of these ratios for the different types of angles. Please copy this and learn it by heart.